Good morning. It is November 24th, 20-something degrees. Oh wait, I think it was like 25 degrees when I parked. I am walking up a Blue Blaze trail, Furnace Creek Trail, to the top of the Appalachian Trail where I did my last hike, and I'm doing a loop back past the Pinnacle and Pulpit Rock. I was gonna do this hike tomorrow on Thanksgiving Day, but it's a beautiful day today and there's no rain or precipitation in the forecast. So, stepping up my day hiking game because I really want to get Pennsylvania done, and I just need to hike more than once a week. So yeah, let's go hiking. There used to be a furnace here, the Windsor furnace. That was built in 1745, but it appears to be gone. I have met the AT, but I'm still gonna cut up another Blue Blaze to get to the top where I was last time. Over my right shoulder is the AT, and that's where I will circle back around to come down. Standing by the reservoir for a minute, basking in the warmth of the sun because it feels amazing when it's this cold outside. Okay, I've made it to the spot on the AT where I left off last time, and now I'm gonna continue on the AT southbound to the Pinnacle and Pulpit Rock. And yeah, the Furnace Creek Trail, which is right there, was as nice as I hoped it would be. It's a climb up here. I think it was like just over 2 miles to get here, maybe 2¼ miles, maybe a little bit further. And yeah, let's pick up where I left off. I think today I'm gonna get maybe 6½ miles of actual trail, of actual AT. I don't know, I could be wrong. I'm wrong a lot. Anyway, let's get back on the trail and get back to hiking. pinnacle. It's about halfway on the loop that I'm doing. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Super rocky. Happy to be here. Because I was just thinking that this time last year, I was cooped up in an Airbnb in Lancaster, California, because I had COVID. A year ago, this time a year ago, I had COVID. Grateful that it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, and grateful to be alive and outside enjoying life again this year. Well, looks like I have to squeeze through that small opening in the trees that are covering the trail. Not trees, tree. Made it. I had to stoop all the way down, and I'm only 5 feet tall, so that would probably be trickier with a backpack and a lot more height. Oh, brother. Guess I'll go that way. Trekking poles to be more of a hindrance on these giant bouldery rock hopping sections, because the tips just slip and they have no good purchase. So I'm carrying them right now until the ground becomes ground again. I just discovered a red blaze trail that apparently, if you go that way, it'll take you to the Furnace Creek Trail from earlier in the morning. Okay, this is Pulpit Rock. Still reflecting on things I'm grateful for. There's an outhouse up here, or privy, with a roll of toilet paper. It's not directly on the trail, but you can see it from the trail. And let's see, that's a reason to be thankful for sure. And 5 years ago this week, I broke my ankle on a trail in Arizona when I was hiking on Black Friday, opting outside. 5 years later, back in Pennsylvania, that ankle is starting to pain me again, and I don't know if it's because of being on the East Coast with humidity, or if I need to get the hardware checked or get the hardware removed. In any case, I am keeping watch over that and biding my time to see if that has to be a thing. I would rather just leave the hardware in for the rest of my life, because who wants to have surgery? Said the surgery nurse, not me. So, I don't know. In the meantime, I'm thankful because it doesn't stop me from hiking. And that's a good thing. All right, I gotta climb a big pile of rocks again before this trail hopefully eases up. We'll see. The Blue Blaze Trail to Windsor Furnace Shelter, which is 1/4 of a mile or 2/10 of a mile up the hill from the trail. No need to visit that today because we're not staying. I'm back at Windsor Furnace, where I got on from the Blue Blaze, that is Furnace Creek Trail. And so, yeah, I'll see you in about half a second when I get back to the big red truck. Made it back to the truck. That was an 8.7 mile loop for me. I think it was around 6.2 miles of fresh Appalachian trail. I'm not 100%, but yeah, it was fun. I ran into 25 people and 1 dog. 2 of the people were trail runners. 1 person was a trail maintainer, and I ran into all of them from the pinnacle south back to the truck. So I'm guessing, and I figured I was right, that this trail is super popular for day hikers going all the way up to the pinnacle from here and back. It was a lot of fun. It's still really cold. I'm gonna get in the truck, head home, have a hot shower, and some food. Yeah, that'll do it for this hike. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you soon out on the trail.